Tame your hedges with ease. Is your overgrown hedge giving you a headache? The Ego MHT2001 multi-combo kit might be the solution you've been searching for. The Ego Power Plus hedge trimmer boasts a robust 20-inch blade and a 56V battery. It powers through branches up to 1 inch thick. The 12-position articulation lets you cut at any angle. This combo kit includes a power head, hedge trimmer attachment, battery, and charger. Enjoy up to 35 minutes of runtime on a single charge. The brushless motor ensures long life and low vibration. Users praise its ease of use and powerful cutting ability. Many highlight its sturdy build and impressive performance. Some note the tool's weight, but appreciate the trade-off for power. Ready to upgrade your hedge trimming game? Check out this Ego multi-combo kit today. Don't wait any longer to achieve perfectly manicured hedges. Get your Ego hedge trimmer today.